Welcome to the Mega Leather and Footwear Accessories Park, Mahwal, Muzaffarpur. Bihara's flagship initiative powering Bihar's next manufacturing revolution. Spread across a planned industrial layout, the park offers plug-and-play infrastructure with 1 lakh square feet space. Units are available on flexible models land, on long-term lease and ready sheds at an affordable rental of 4 rupees per square foot per month. The park features around 34 industrial plots and 3 plug-and-play sheds, designed to support MSMEs and large-scale manufacturing. Strategically located just 25 kilometers from Muzaffarpur, with direct access to NH28, railway connectivity at Mahwal, and proximity to Darbhanga Airport, ensuring seamless logistics and market reach. Supported by robust infrastructure, including 24/7 security, internal roads, drainage systems, dedicated 33 by 11 kilovolt power substation, and common facilities like CFC and ETP. Equipped with advanced machinery including edge cleaning machines, heat setting units, collar forming systems, and conveyor-based production lines. With over 53% young workforce skilled and industry-ready, Bihar brings scale, talent, and inclusive growth. Bihar is ready to manufacture, to scale, and to lead.